Good evening, dear viewers. James Braithwaite here. You join me in my slightly messy kitchen. I'm cleaning my deep fryer at the minute. As I make a very traditional, sumptuous feast that is spaghetti on toast. I've got a nice tiger bloomer left from when I had my good lady over to stay. So we're going to use that for a nice base. Hang that on. Let's see what else. I'm really going to have to sort my bloody kitchen. Anyway, the bread is doing. Nice butter to go with it. We'll probably be having this on the computer while I upload this, but anyhow. Well, just to prove it's the best, a can-do attitude. Into the recycling. Now we play the waiting game. Make yourself a slice of toast while you're watching this if you want. Anyway. That's right, get on your tiger bread. I think my stomach had taken out a missing persons advert for my mouth earlier on today. That's why I'm, adopting the go big or go home thing with spaghetti on toast. The irony, of course, being I am home. So, next bit. Oh. Not long now. It is what's hot never boils or something. I never remember the thing. On now. You're enjoying this. I sincerely hope you are. Okay. Nice boiling in the jug spaghetti. And perfect. Now, my toaster produces quite mixed results. You'll probably have to adjust for this, but okay. Got my jug out, especially for this. Although I don't like getting my jugs out on camera normally. Right, anyway, nice clean stuff. Just take you to view the lazy sod creation this evening. That should be nice. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye.